Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big update which is coming here from Accenture. So Accenture has sent the examination date, which is on 17th of February 2024. Friends, also we will be talking about the Capgemini hirings. Okay, so last date to apply is Feb 14th 2024, but this is not true, friends. This is only for the off campus, but there are many places you will be see. So Capgemini is hiring, which is not true, right? So Capgemini is hiring only on campus, so your college will be not eligible when you will try to apply. I will give you the complete information in this video, so I request all of you to watch the video till the end. There are multiple hirings, where to apply, where not to apply, each and everything I will tell you. Friends, first, please like the video. We really put lot of effort in bringing the genuine content for you, right? So it's not like something we will put it on a channel and then you apply or you face problem or you face issues. No, we will provide you genuine content. So please do like and subscribe to our channel. And friends, so today we have hiring from Accenture, right? So there are multiple roles for which hirings are happening, right? There are many people who are facing URL error. There are many people who are facing eligibility issues, right? So all those things we will try to discuss in this particular video. Now, friends, the first thing, there is a new hiring which is has come by Accenture for the application development associate, right? The package is 4.6 lakhs per annum, and here all stream branches of BE BTech, ME MTech, MCA and MSc. Okay, from 19, 20, 2021, 2022, 2023 pass out with full-time education only are eligible, right? So friends, the first thing which I would like to say you that Accenture has 3 months of cooling period, right? So suppose today you wrote the exam. Okay, so today is 13th of Feb, just before Valentine Day. So today is 13th of Feb. That means 13th March, 13th April, 13th May. So you will have to wait for not exactly 90 days. You'll have to count it because February has only 29 days, right? So let's say, so by 13th of May, you should not apply for Accenture again. Otherwise, you will be getting the eligibilities issues, right? Okay, now friends, many people are applying for multiple roles, right? So there are many people who are applying for multiple roles, so that also you should not do, right? So you should apply for one role and then you should wait, right? Okay, so if you keep applying for multiple roles, then definitely you will be getting the issues. Now friends, if then also if you're applying for one role, then also you are getting immediately, right? So I will tell you about, there are multiple things are there, and also we will talk about, so what is this open house, pre-connect, email, type of assessment, slot selection, and for which particular role the Accenture is sending. So that also we will talk about each and everything in detail, right? Okay, now, so friends, see, you change your email ID, you change your contact number, right? And then also if you're getting eligibility issues, then nothing can be done, right? Because this your other data. Okay, so you can change the format of your resume, maybe size and also resume size, you change it, okay, convert it to something and then increase the size, right? So all those things you can try, changing the email, changing the contact number, changing the resume size. But whatever data is feed, like my name is Pratik Srivastava, my father name is Mithilesh Kumar Verma, so all this detail, no, that you will not be able to change. So just let me have water. In that case, if you are facing any eligibilities issues, then nothing can be done. Okay, now, so friends, if your cooling period is not over, then please go ahead and apply for, I mean, if it is over, cooling period is over, then please go ahead and apply for this application development associate, because BE BTech, ME MTech, MCA and MSc, all this, all streams, all branches from 19 to 2023 are eligible to apply. Okay, now friends, and then we have service associate 2022-2023 batch. So this is the BSc BCA. So the the Accenture has sending an email that your exam is going to start from 17th of February, right? Friends, we have also launched this Accenture crash course, you can see here, with 10 mock test series, right? So reasoning, pseudocode, verbal ability, cloud and networking, coding, right? So if you are preparing for BSc BCA, right, Accenture, then you do not have coding. Otherwise otherwise everything will be there, right? So you can get hold of this. So a lot of content has been updated here. So we have reasoning videos, verbal ability, coding question, pseudo code, MS application network, right, test series, and then the previously asked questions also has been updated here. And then we have a lot of PDFs also are there, right? So we have updated with a lot of data details. Okay, now, so friends, let me close my email. Okay, now, so then what I wanted to tell you, yes, so you can apply for it. Then the next role we have for BSc BCS. So now Accenture is sending examination that for them only. And then we have package app development associate. So this is for 2023 and 2024, but I have already told 2024 batch to wait, don't apply now. Anyway, this application won't close soon. So let Accenture update some more details, and then we will apply for the Accenture. But now you can see the trend of hiring, right? So hirings are happening. Friends, open house pre-connect mail. So it's not mandatory to join, right? So we have shared the link to attend the open house connect on 12th of February. It's not mandatory to join. So if you have missed it, no problem. Okay, type of assessment. Okay, so and then slot selection. So when you will get the slot mail, don't forget to book it, right? And then mock assessment will be there. Mock assessment also, it's not mandatory. Admit card, and then you will have to 17th of Feb 2024 you will be having the assessment, right? Okay, fine. And friends, for Capgemini, I would like to tell you, so this is only on campus, it's not off campus, so don't listen others, right? So use your mind. If there will be off campus, it will be definitely there on our channel, because on our channel, if you'll go and see, so preparation videos, if there is any genuine off campus hiring updates are there, that will be there, right? Okay, so you can see all the updates will be like, we will give you the proper link, each and everything, so you do not have to worry at all. If there is any hiring, we will give you. Tech Mahindra also hiring we had updated. Now Tech Mahindra has started sending, right? So now Tech Mahindra has started sending examination mail. So all these contents we will upload it on our channel. Right now Deloitte examination is going on, so definitely we are putting a lot of effort in particular examination, right? So do apply. All the links will be in the description. I hope I have answered most of your queries. Till then, take care. All the very best. Thank you. We'll meet soon in the next video.